Good morning, children. So today it's turn to learn about nematode in this first module. So basically we are going to start with the nematode and then we are going to study about the annelida. In this module I am going to focus on the nematodes, which means in Greek thread, and odes, which means like. So that means nematode are the organisms those whose appearance are like thread, like fine and thin. Okay, so students, let's see the basic characters of this phylum nematode. Okay, so here you would be seeing that their body is basically elongated, they are cylindrical and thread-like, and that too tapering at both the ends. Okay, so tapering means like this. If the body is flat and the ends of the body are tapering, this is called the tapering type of end. Okay, so body has outer covering called cuticle. Okay, their body, they have an outer covering known as cuticle, and this cuticle is basically a thin waxy layer that lines the body and the body opening and keeps the body and its opening protected from the external conditions. Okay, so it's a you can say it as a protective layer. Then they have modified mouth parts. Obviously these modified mouth parts for their particular type of eating habit. Usually these nematode, they are parasitic in nature and depends upon other organism for their food. So therefore their mouth parts are modified accordingly, you can say. They have digestive system with two opening. One opening lies near the mouth, or it depicts the mouth, and another the anus. Okay, so next thing is, as I've already told, they are parasitic and their common examples are roundworms, hookworms, pinworms, filarial worms. So this picture is basically of pinworms. Okay, they are pinworms, they are parasitic, they can reside inside the body of human being or other animal. And in the background you can see the picture that you can see is of hookworm. Okay, I'm sorry, roundworms. Okay, at the background, whatever the worm you are seeing is the you can say they are the roundworms, and here it is the hookworm. Okay, they are hookworm. You may see their structure, they are hooked like. Okay, and they can hook with any body part, or actually they exist. Usually you will find them in our intestine, and they can hook with the intestinal cells because of their shape. So that is why they are known as hookworms. And here the definition, or you may say the function of cuticle I have written, that it is an outer body lining or covering that lines up the digestive system and the body opening. Okay, it acts as a protective layer, you can say. So next we are going to start with the annelid.